Welcome to Tips and Tricks in Adobe Photoshop. Today we are going to be using the Auto Blend tool to blend together two images. I'm going to use my lasso tool first up so I can make a selection, in this case of these birds, which I'd like to put in with the mountains. I'm going to copy that and go into the other image and paste it in. Using my move tool, I'll just place it exactly where I'd like it to go, selecting the two layers. I'm going to go to Edit, Auto Blend Layers, ensuring that I stack the layers. And this will blend together all of the tones so they look like one image.